So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can easily set up Python on a new computer, and this method works both on Windows 10 and also Windows 11. So let's get started. So first what we need is a PowerShell with administrator access. So what you can do, just search for PowerShell and run it as administrator. And yep, after that, here, let me increase the font size. It's okay. Let's do it. Okay. So we prepare a bit. Okay, here. And so first you gotta go to your user directory to make sure you put Python in the correct path. So and after that you need to change your execution policy. So first what you can do is just to check your execution policy. So everything at first it's undefined, but if you paste in a script to install, it will show you that it's restricted. So what we have to do is just we have to make sure that it's allowed script to run. So we can set change the setting by use the set execution policy on our current user. Then it will ask what policy you want to change to, and so you're just gonna type a remote sign and just yes to all, and there you go. And all you have to do is just check again. Let me check again. Okay, so now it's remote sign. So let's clear out, and now go to step 2. We are going to install Chocolate, and Chocolate is like the apt-get for Linux, but Chocolate was made for Windows. And so all we do is just we have to set it up a little bit. So we have to set up a script that connected to the internet, so it share the internet connection setting. uh, yep, so we just paste this in, and then we check to see if the script is working and also to see its options. So yes, it's working and there are many options, but we're going to use one only, and it is just to download and check the signature of the installation with Chocolate. So just copy it and paste it in there, click enter. Okay, there you go, it's already checked, and clear that out. And all I have to do now is just to install the Chocolate package with this, and we can paste it in. Okay, now what we will install, download and install, and all of the commands will be in the GitHub, and I will upload it to GitHub, and I will put it in the descriptions of the video. So Chocolate is installed, so we can check if Chocolate is installed with this command. So we can try this. Okay, Chocolate is work, and all I have to do is just to update the Chocolate package. See if it's not on the latest version, we can just do it beforehand, and after that we can install Python directly. So we can do is just choco install -y Python 3 -y is, I think it's to make it global. Yes, oh no, I think it's just to confirm all the thing that you have to like agree on later. So just click enter, and we'll download everything, and install it for you directly, so you don't have to do the like something that costs you headache later on. So like with this package of Chocolate, it will automatically help you install just like the apt-get in the Linux system. And I have sped up the video, so now it's finished it. And now we can check if Python is installed properly. by checking its version. So I think, okay, so it doesn't recognize this. So let's restart the shell, maybe. Okay, so all we have to do is just restart the shell and it's working. And now we just make sure that pip is installed and upgraded. Okay. Okay, now everything is installed and upgraded, and now you can start using Python on your computer. And that's it for the video, and I will post this on GitHub and put it in the description of the video. Thank you and see you in another video.